Okay, so I bought a DJI OM5 because I'm a mobile YouTuber. I record every video on my mobile phones. So this DJI OM5 Gimbal Smartphone Stabiliser will help me do videos with my mobile phones. Quite nice packaging actually. Feels like Apple packaging when you open it. The first to see is a quick start guide on the inside. That's really nice. What's more in the box? Here is the documentation, is my guessing. Yes, it's the documentation. Nice. And here is the smartphone stabilizer itself, the DJI OM5. Really portable and small. I love that because then you can have it with you easily in your bag and even in your back pocket actually. And the OM5 version has an extender like a selfie stick built into the stabilizer itself. That's nice. It's quite heavy though, so with my iPhone 13 Pro Max on it, I think it will be quite heavy to hold, so you can't do longer videos probably. So what's more in the box? Here we have a strap for your hand so you don't drop it. And here we have the phone holder itself that you should have on your phone. It's magnetic on the back side, so it attached to the phone with a magnet, very strong. And here we have a carrying pouch, carrying bag that you should have all the different accessories in. I don't like that it's just one bag because then they scratches each other in that bag though. And as I said, this smartphone holder is very strong. You can have quite large phones in it too. And the magnet, as I said, is very, very strong. You can't drop the phone with this one attached to your phone. It's impossible. Very strong magnets. And here we have a charging cable, USB-C to USB-A. That's good to have in the package, but I already have a lot of chargers, USB-C chargers, but it's nice to have in the box. And here we have some kind of pad for smaller phones, so you can attach better to the magnet. I won't use that though because I have a very large phone, the iPhone 13 Pro Max. And lastly, here we have the tripod that you can attach at the bottom of the OM5. So you have a tripod stable at the table when doing some recordings. That's very good to have. I think that's a very nice feature. And then you can use the extender to have it more like a tripod if you want. Really nice. This will be very interesting to try out as a mobile YouTuber. I wonder if I can use it to record unboxings on the table, if I can have it in that angle, if you know what I mean. But I don't think so because I don't think you can do that angle with a gimbal. But we will see later on when I do a review of this. Really cool to have a tripod also in the package. So that's what's in the box. Now I will use it for a while and then do a review. Okay, please like this video and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, bye.